Another brand within the House of Rohl portfolio is going to be Shaw's. Shaw's is actually the original Fireclay farmhouse sink that was on the market beginning in 1897. Each one of our Shaw's sinks is handcrafted by an artisan in England. Each one of our artisans hand stamps the bottom of their sink to show the true pride they take in their work. Our sinks take on average about 28 days to curate to give it this high quality and durability factor to it. These things are known to last a lifetime and fit into any kitchen design. This isn't something you're gonna find in a factory or mass produced. It's gonna be different every time because you really have that fine luxury of having one made for yourself. Not only are you gonna have your farmhouse and undermount options, we also offer bar sinks as well, so you can curate your whole kitchen, bar, to Shaw's. Shaw's also has a square bar sink as well, so you can really match your whole collection from either oval or square, however you want to curate kitchen collection. If you want to experience Shaw's in person, please stop by a Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in either Costa Mesa, Torrance, Studio City, or Calabasas.